first one up is systemic, and we like these gardening terms, don't we?
Oh,
we
indeed.
use them all the time.
Indeed.
Our writings and things like that.
And you know, when you started the intro for the segment and you said we throw them around a lot, I'm thinking, well, maybe you and I do, but
Yeah,
you know, maybe a lot of the gardening public may not know. I know they've heard them, they've probably read them, and then on the backs of pesticide labels, they may see the word systemic and all this stuff. So what does that mean?
All right.
You know, and when you see it, it's usually in reference to how pesticides move through the plant. That's what it means. So if you have a systemic insecticide, that means that as you put it, it's soluble enough in water that it can actually be taken up through the tissues of the plant and translocated, which is another one of our terms we're going to talk about, throughout the plant to give that insecticidal or fungicide or whatever it is, you know, to protect that plant against the disease or the insect. Okay. And herbicides do that as well. They do. You know, glyphosate, Roundup, it translocates, so it's a systemic herbicide, you know, so it's a term that,
yeah, we say that a lot. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.